Let's make a new home for my air plant babies. So I started with this really fun dough bowl and I added some howlite chips and some moonstone chips. And now I'm adding some howlite tumbles, just making sure to spread those out. Okay, and now we're going to do some clear quartz because it looks so beautiful in the sunlight. All ready for them. Let's get them put in here. And this little guy has a bud. I'm so excited. And I'm especially proud of this little mama who grew 2 babies. Oh my gosh, they look so happy in here. Okay, so it's all finished. What do you think?